Hi, I will be talking about the introduction. The objective of this study is developing and designing a database about maintaining the records such as trains, passengers, and train status. Database concept has been widely used in large or small organizations. It shares collection of related data and a description of these data designing to meet the information needs of an organization. Database is a system that helps to organize all collection of data and information. The railway station is located in many places including Malaysia. In Malaysia, the railway station is located in Kuala Lumpur since 1886. The railway reservation system allows passengers to inquire about available trains based on their bookings and cancellation of tickets, destination and source, and also inquiry about the status of their booked tickets. Thank you. Next is the database management system. There will be 5 that will be used in this project. First is the ERD. It shows relationship between things, location, events, and people in an information technology system. Next is the DDL, such as tables, index, and users are created, modified, and removed using data definition language statements which are alter, create, and drop. Next is the business rules that helps to clearly state relationship participations. Next is the data dictionary that gathers all information data about objects in the pattern and contains in a set of tables. And lastly is the DML, where it's a group of programming language that provide commands for manipulating data in database. Next, to implement this case study, there will be some assertions that can be made. For example, the first one, the number of trains has been restricted to 5. Next, the booking is open only for the next 7 days from the current date. Thirdly, only 2 categories of tickets can be booked, named AC and General. Next, the total number of tickets that can be booked in each category, which is AC and General, is only 10. The total number of tickets that can be given the status of waiting is 2. And lastly, the in-between stoppage stations and their bookings are not considered.
Good morning, Madam Rosalie and my beloved groupmate and classmate. Today, I want to discuss about ERD and business rule of the railway system. Firstly, each train consists at least one status of a train. Each train status belongs to one train only. Each train status has one or more booking, while each booking have only one train status. Each passenger can book more than one ticket, while one ticket only belongs to one passenger. Each train list belongs to one passenger, while one passenger can check more than one train list. A passenger may cancel one or more tickets, while a ticket only can be cancelled by a passenger. Thank you.
Data dictionary. Let's see about the type of data used in data dictionary. First is numeric with position and scale. Position is the total number of digits and the scale is the number of decimal place. Next is word variable character. It can hold number, letter, and special character. Next is date. Only date in format month, date, and years. Last is char to store character string of fixed length specified. Now let's see about our data dictionary in the report.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ahmad Muaz bin SHAHMAN and my matric number is B0619102243. Today, I'm gonna present how do we create a table in Apex Oracle by using DDL. First of all, we need to go to SQL command. For me, I have copied out the coding that I need to create a table. First, in order to create a table, you need to type out create table followed by your entity or your table name, which mine is string list, and a bracket. After you've done that, you just need to type all the other coding, and when you're done, you just click run. And then when you look at the button, it will say table created. You can find your table in this tab, and it will open a new tab which will say your table name, which is my string list, which means your table successfully created. After your table is being created, you can insert your data in the table by this command, which is insert into your table name, string list, which is mine, values, and the data that you want to insert. Now just click run. It will say one row is inserted. I will do another example. For inserting your data in your table, you need to do it one by one to ensure no error will happen in this situation. And now one row is inserted too. To find out whether your data is being added to your table or not, you just go to SQL Workshop, and then you see recently created table string list. Click that. After that, you just click data, and there we can see my data is being added to the table itself. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is MING from 2 BTMN Session 1, and today I'm gonna present about the tree query, which is join two table, aggregate function, and subquery. Firstly, the join two table I have done in this project was original join and natural join. The natural join was table train list joining with the table train status, and by doing this, we can copy this command and paste it to the Oracle Apex to run. And it will show the train number, train name, and train date of the train list and train status. Secondly, the aggregate function use of count to count the ticket fare that is more than 60, and use of average to find the average price for the AC ticket. And by doing so, we just copy this command and paste it to the Oracle Apex to run. And it shows that there is only two general ticket price that is more than 60. And lastly, the subquery that equality to list the passenger that ride in train number 3468 and aggregate that to find the difference of AC fare with average AC fare. By doing so, we copy this command and paste it to the Oracle Apex to run. Based on this coding, we can see that there is 3 passenger is right to the train number of 3468, and all the name, age, sex, address, status, and category are shown. And that's all from me. Thank you.